Hi everyone, I'm host Ian, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the double boiled green papaya soup with white fungus using the Vision stew pot and casserole.
If you're thinking of serving healthy and flavorful dishes, Visions is the perfect cookware for you. Made from non-reactive and non-porous glass, Visions does not absorb odours or stains from food. With Vision's excellent heat-retaining properties, it allows you to cook food perfectly at a lower heat setting, which is ideal for liquid-based cooking such as soups or curries. Now, let's see how this convenient and versatile cookware does the preparing, cooking, serving, and storing in just one cookware. Vision's see-through glass ceramic material makes it easier to monitor what's cooking, and the sunken lids help to minimize messy spillovers and tedious cleanup. Visions is extremely versatile. Not only is it ideal for stovetop cooking, but can also be used in the oven, the microwave, in the refrigerator, and in the dishwasher.
With Visions, now I can cook a variety of healthy meals for my family. Get yours exclusively at fair price today.